Mastering your schedule, the magic of Outlook calendar. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. Today, we're going to dive into a very useful tool that can help you manage your time effectively, the Outlook calendar. Whether it's for personal use or professional scheduling, understanding how to use this tool can make your life much easier. So, let's get started and unravel the features and benefits of the Outlook calendar. The Outlook calendar is a time management tool integrated into the Microsoft Outlook application. It's not just a calendar, it's your personal assistant for scheduling and reminders. Imagine you have a secretary who keeps track of all your meetings, appointments, and tasks. That's what Outlook calendar does for you. It allows you to create, manage, and share your schedule with others, ensuring you never miss an important date or meeting. Outlook calendar comes packed with features designed to make scheduling as effortless as possible. Let's explore some of the key features. 1. Appointment and event creation. You can create appointments for yourself and invite others to meetings or events, setting a specific date and time for each. 2. Reminders and alerts. Receive notifications before an upcoming event, so you're always prepared and never late. 3. Recurring events. For events that happen regularly, like weekly meetings, you can set them to recur automatically, saving you the hassle of creating them each time. 4. Sharing and collaboration. Share your calendar with colleagues, friends, or family. This way, they can see your availability and schedule meetings accordingly. To make the most out of the Outlook calendar, here are some tips. 1. Keep it updated. Regularly update your calendar. The more accurate it is, the more you can rely on it. 2. Categorize your appointments. Use colors or categories to differentiate between work meetings, personal appointments, or other activities. 3. Use time blocks. If you have tasks that need focus, block time in your calendar. This ensures you have dedicated time without interruptions. 4. Review and plan ahead. At the start or end of your day, review your calendar to prepare for upcoming events or to plan your next day. And that's a wrap on the Outlook calendar. We hope this video helps you understand how this powerful tool can help you stay organized and manage your time more effectively. Remember, the key to making the most of it is consistency and regular use. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll tune in for more helpful videos. Stay organized, and see you next time.